सुधागड एज्युकेशन सोसायटीचे पूर्व प्राथमिक, प्राथमिक, माध्यमिक व उच्च माध्यमिक विद्यालय कळंबोली मराठी, हिंदी, इंग्रजी, उर्दू माध्यम यांच्या सौजन्याने शैक्षणिक व्हिडिओमध्ये आपलं सर्वांचं स्वागत आहे.
Good morning, students. Yesterday, we start our textbook, poem number 1, A Teenager's Prayer, written by J. Morse. After then, we will complete our 3 paragraphs, 3 stanzas. What is the next? In the 4th stanza, that is, help Lord to just say no when temptation comes my way. What is means temptation? Greediness. Suppose you are going to the examination, some children doing coughing, that time the greediness comes to your mind. What I not? ज्याला आपण म्हणतो की लोभीपणा, मोह. So here the poet requests to the God, O God, whenever the temptation comes in my mind, that time you firmly say to me, no, this is wrong, because greediness ruins someone's life. So the poet asking the help to the Lord Almighty, means God. He requests to the God, when the temptation comes my way, you have to convince me, dear child, you are doing wrong. This is the wrong way, and do not do so. That might, what happen if I away from the temptation? That times, if I away from the temptation, that should be clean my body. Means my thought should be clear. And I am be fit for the life. I will be always away from the temptation. I will be the successful human being in my life, because the temptations ruins our life. If someone falls in temptation, what happens? He can't do the properly his work. We know that very well in offices, in somewhere, and in children's life. Suppose you are doing, your parents ask you something, your parents ask you to do the work. That time, we ask the bribes, we ask something because of, in favor of that work which we do. We ask to our parents, I will do that work, but you have to give me something. That is the temptation. You are doing the copy, that is the temptation. You are asking something in favor of some work, that is the temptation. And so, here the poet, the little boy, a teenage boy, yesterday we have seen that, to whom we call the teenage. The age between 13 to 19 means your age. You are now in 10th standard, and your age is between the 13 to 19. And I know there are so many situations that comes in your life that should be false you in temptations. Temptations is a bad thing. If we keep away from that temptation to us, we will make our life very achievable, very happy. Because of the temptation, one cannot live happily. If we want to live the happy life, if we want to be the success in our life, we always be away from the temptation. Greediness. So here, the poet requests to the God, O Lord, Almighty, my dear God, whenever that situation comes in my life, you have to be help me. You have to be say no. You have to be warn me. Dear boy, you are doing wrong. So don't be do that. And if you help me, and if I away from the temptation, then my life should become happyful. And I might be keep my body clean, and I will be always fit and fine in my life. Then the poet in the last stanza says to the God, when my teenage years are over, I know that I will see that life is live its very best with you walking next to me. Means the poet requests to the God, oh God, Almighty, when my teenage years should be over means when I complete my teenage years and I will be become grown up, I want the company of you with me. And I hope you will always help me. You will always with me. And if you will be always with me, I will be make my life successful. And so, and whenever I will be woke up, when I complete my teenage, I want you will be always with me. That should be, and I want you to live the life which will be helped by you. I want that if you are with me, if you are guidance me, I seek your guidance, I need your help to make my life a successful. And so the children's, that is the true. God is always with us. But actually the God cannot reach to with us, our parents, our elders, who the person who help us, like our elder brother, our friends, our teachers, our parents, whoever help to us, he is our God. And we, the people, we the common people, always seek the help of the God. Because someone's guidance should be make our life successful. Without guidance, we can't do anything in our life. So guidance is very important. But the right decision, the right guidance, the true guidance should be very important in our life. So, here the poet, here the teenage boy, here the narrator, seeking, asking, he wants that. Whenever, means when I complete my teenage, I want that. You are always with me. That should be make my life successful. And thanks a lot to listening to that, a teenage poem. Dear children, we have completed our poem. But what is the next? There should be important things. We have to solve the questions. And what types of questions should be asked in SSC board examination in our question pattern? So now, we are going to see that what type of questions should be asked in our question paper and what is the question number should be asked in our pattern. Next. Now the children, see that here are some exercises. In our question paper pattern, there are the 7 questions. And in question number 3, a poem. We have asked the 10-mark question on this pattern. Question A, actually on extract, we have to solve that questions. There are also the sub 3 questions, A1, A2 and A3. A1 carries 2 marks, A2 carries the 2 marks and A3 carries the 1 marks. And in question number 3B, it should be on appreciation of poem. It carries the 5 marks. So now, see that there are given us a lot of questions. But we have to solve any 2, either any 4. In question number A1, that are the simple factual questions. Here are some questions given us. Choose the correct alternative and complete the sentences. In 1, the poet prays to the Lord to the help him stand for what he is. And there are some options, might or right. We learn the poem and you know that what is the answer. Obviously, the right is the correct answer. You are right. In 2nd, the poet wants to see that his teenage years have been the blank of his life. What type of life you should be want? Worst or best? What type of life you should be want? Worst or best? Obviously, each and everyone wants that his life should be best. So, the best is the correct answer of that, means the option best is. Number 3, the poet wants God's help to say dash dash to the temptation. Suppose a situation comes in your life, you have fall in temptation. What should we want? You are choosing the temptation or not? Because temptation is the bad thing. So what do you want? Yes or no? Obviously, the no is the correct answer. Number 4, the poet wishes to live under dash dash of his Almighty. Almighty means God. We can say in Hindi, Bhagavan, Dev. The poet wishes to live under the dash dash of Almighty. Means what you want? Under the care, under the guidance. What do you want? Because according to our poem, in the 4th stanza, the poet wants that the Almighty's guidance. So, the guidance is the correct answer. Number 5, according to the poet, dash dash are brought by each new day, new beginnings or new endings. We begins our day, ending or beginning. Each day we begins. So the true answer is new beginnings, and that's true because according to the poet, new beginnings are brought each and every day. We have learned in our 1st stanza. The poet say that there are so many things I have to do. There are so many paths. Each times I want to begin my day. Number 6, we must decide to take the roads which leads to. There are the 2 options, great distress and great success. Distress means sorrowfulness, sadness, and success means you know that very well. So what do you want? Your life should be towards the great success or towards the great distress. Everyone choose the success. So we must decide to take the road which leads to the great success. So the great success is the right answer. 7, the age group of speaker in the poem is. We have discussed about that yesterday, and today I have told you about that. What is the teenage, to whom we call the teenagers? Under the age of 13 to 19 is the teenagers. So the right option is 13 to 19. So this is the simple factual questions given here. We have to solve only 2, either 4 in our question paper pattern, but here given are extras for your practice. Next. Now, in our extract A2, this is the complex factual activity. You have to write the broad answers. In our question paper pattern, we have to solve only 1. Here are given more. but we have solved only one, and it carries the 2 marks in our question paper. What is the first question? What effect does the speaker wishes to see in himself at the age of his teen? Means when he completed his teenage years, 13 to 19, what effect he should be want in his life? The poet wishes the company of gods. Why? Why the poet wants the company of gods? Because by the time his teenage years are over, obviously he is completing his teenage years, and he will know that the life he lived under the guidance and help of the Almighty, means God, was the best. He know that very well. He was seeking someone's guidance, and if the God guides, given the guidance his life, he should be a very successful personality in his life. If someone wants to achieve the top of the highest, he wants to be the successful human being in his life, so we need the guidance of someone. And if suppose things that imaginary the gods comes with you and the gods help you, what will happen? Your life should be colorful, your life should be happy, and each and everyone wants that his life should be a successful and colorful and happy. Each and everyone wants that his life should be a full of success, full of happiness, and it is happen if the gods help you. And so this is the first question. Second, how should our react to the temptation? Means suppose the temptation comes in your mind, how should you react? The person should strictly say no to any temptation that comes his life. He oblique she should overpower any temptation and avoid doing anything bad either wrong. It's true. Because dear children, temptation is the bad thing, I have told you already. And because of temptation, you should be fall in bad companies, in distress. So temptation is not the good things. So if we avoid the temptation in our life, if we do not fall in the temptation, our life should be a successful, our life should be enjoyful. The next question, whose company does the poet wish for in the walk of his life, and why? There is an or question for, what effect does the speaker wish to see in himself at the end of his teen? Means the poet how going to complete his teenage. Whose company, whose help the child wants in his life? The poet wishes the God's company because the time his teenage years are over, and he will know that the life he lived under the guidance of God was the best. It's true. Because if the God is with you, our life should be the best. And so, the poet wants that when he completes his teenage, ज्यावेळेला आपण आपलं बालपण संपवतो आणि ॲडल्ट होतो, त्यावेळेला आपल्याला कोणाची तरी मदतीची गरज असते. आणि अशा वेळेस एक चांगल्या व्यक्तीचं आपल्याला सहकार्य मिळणं, चांगल्या व्यक्तीची सोबत मिळणं, हे आपल्या जीवनासाठी खूप महत्त्वाचं असतं. कारण ती चांगली व्यक्ती कदाचित भगवान असू शकते, देव असू शकते, परमेश्वर असू शकते. कारण परमेश्वराला प्रत्येकाकडे जाणं शक्य नाही, म्हणून तो कोणाच्या तरी रूपाने आपल्या सोबत येतो. मग अशा वेळेस हा कवी जो आहे तो देवाला विनंती करतोय की जर माझं बालपण संपल्यानंतर माझ्यासोबत जर तुझं गायडन्स जर मला मिळालं तर कदाचित माझं जीवन अतिशय सुंदर होईल. सो हिअर द पोएट वॉन्ट्स दॅट द गायडन्स ही इज सिकिंग द गायडन्स ऑफ द गॉड अँड हिज लाईफ शुड बी द बेस्ट. नेक्स्ट. A3. Activity based on poetic device. This question is totally depending on the poetic device. Here should be we have to write only one question. It carries the 1 marks. In A, identify the following figure of speech of this poem, of this line. First one, please open up my eyes, dear Lord. The figure of speech is apostrophe. In second, and fit for life each day, the figure of speech is alliteration. In question B, write the pair of rhyming words from the extract. Either, you know that the rhyming words, the words that create the same pronunciation, like boy, toy, fall, tall, the answer is not given here. You have to find in poem. That is the ending of the word. Each and every line. Each and every verse which ends of the line, that is called the rhyming words. So you have to find that. In question number C, what is the correct rhyme scheme? Here are the 4 options. A, A, B, B, A, B, C, B, sorry, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, B, A, B, B, A. And the answer is number 3. A, B, C, B is the correct rhyme scheme of this poem. So these are the A1, A2 and A3, 3 questions which are asked on the extract actual poem. We have to write the answers of that, and it carries the 5 marks. Next. Question number 3B. Appreciation of poem. It carries the 5 marks. Here are given us the 5 points. It's a very easy question. Each and every student get minimum 3 marks in this question. If he tries something, he should be get more than 3, 4 marks, 5 marks. It's not difficult questions. It is very easy question, which will carry the 5 marks. What are the sub questions here? First one is the title. Actual poem is given there. The title is given there. You have to write only the title of the poem, and it carries the half marks to you. After then, the name of the author, the name of the poet. It is also given there. You have to find out in the end of the poem and write the name of the poet. It also given you the half marks. But if you want, if you impress to the examiner, if you write your paper impressively, so you have to begin with this. The title of the poem is A Teenager's Prayer, like this one. The poet, this poem is written by, begin this line, it should be impressive for you, and that is very important. You have given the half marks if you write only A Teenager's Prayer, either only the poem's name, the J. Moore's. You have given the half marks. But if you want to impress, if you want to write your paper impressively, so you can begin this one. Third one is the central idea, means what is in the poem. What should be asked? The theme, the central idea, means what is the important things in the poem. A teenager boy, in beginning he is in a dilemma condition. Dilemma means dvidha avastha. Confused. Why he confused? There are so many ways. There are so many roads. Which to choose? He can't understand. So the teenager is in a dilemma condition about making the right decisions. There are so many things he have to do. Which decisions he should be take? He can't understand. The wrong decision, suppose he take the wrong decisions. And what will happen? Someone should be ruin his life. Ruin means nashta karne. Someone should be ruin his life. And whole life he should be can't understand after then. He can't clear his situations. He can't understand what I have done. So, hence the teenager recognize, ask. The teenager recognize, the teenager wants the need of the praying for the God. In our life, we know that whenever we confuse, what will we do? We pray to the God. We ask to the God, oh God, help me. Because जेव्हा आपल्याला कुठलंच काम जमत नाही त्यावेळेला आपण म्हणून देतो भगवान भरोसे, सगळं देवाच्या भरोशावर सोडून देतो. You know the doctors also. They said that we are doing our level best, but everything is God's hand. आता सगळं परमेश्वराच्या हाती. Like that one. So the central idea is the teenager in dilemma about making the right decision. A wrong decision may ruin the whole life. Hence, the teenager wants that. He helps that. He wants to help that. The pray to the God and the help of the guidance of the God. 4 question. Rhyming scheme. Means what is the rhyming scheme of the poem? Each and every poem has the different types of rhyming schemes. And the rhyming scheme must be write in a small letters. Do not write in a capital. If you write in a capital letters, you should be given the wrong. And you should be given the 0 marks by the examiner. So you have to write A, B, C, B. And the last one, the figure of speech, it is apostrophe. So, question number 1, question number 3B, sub question 1 is carry the half marks, second question carry the half marks, central idea, either the theme, it carries the 2 marks, number 4, rhyming scheme, it carries the 1 marks, and the figure of speech, it carries the 1 marks. Means totally, you have to the 5 marks of this question, appreciation of poem. So students, you have to practice for that, like this one, and concentrately solve your papers, concentrately do your study, concentrately watch the videos and do your study. Don't waste your time